comes to Korea, according to my previous experience watching movies, love stories are mostly tragic and social themes are mostly suffering. Therefore, I have always had a poor impression of happiness in South Korea. But I gradually found that the transnational nature of Korean culture makes the country come alive. From K-pop and Korean cinema to food and fashion, Korean culture has crossed borders, transcending national and cultural boundaries to create a unique, globalized cultural influence. This global expansion of Korean culture, often referred to as the Korean wave, highlights its ability to resonate with diverse audiences worldwide while maintaining its distinct identity. Arguably, the most prominent example of Korean culture's transnational reach is K-pop. South Korean music has evolved into a global genre, with groups like BTS, Blackpink, and Stray Kids attracting millions of fans worldwide. These groups have not only achieved immense commercial success in South Korea, but have also built massive followings in countries like the United States, China, and Japan. K-pop artists often incorporate global musical influences, blending Western pop, hip-hop, and electronic music with distinctly Korean elements, such as powerful choreography and visually stunning music videos. Importantly, K-pop is not just a form of entertainment. It represents a cultural bridge between the East and West. Many K-pop songs now feature lyrics in English or other languages to appeal to international audiences. While Korean culture continues to be embedded in the music, aesthetic, and performance. This ability to adapt while retaining its roots is key to K-pop success and demonstrates the transnational nature of Korean culture. Korean food, too, is evolving as it blends with other culinary traditions. Korean restaurants often serve fusion dishes that combine Korean ingredients with local flavors. For example, Korean-style tacos, which combine the flavors of Korean barbecue with Mexican tortillas, have become popular, showing how Korean cuisine has been adapted and embraced in different cultural contexts. The rise of Korean as the American coffee is an interesting example of how Korean culture has shaped global food trends. Originating in South Korea, this simple yet refreshing drink, a combination of espresso and iced water, has become a staple of the global coffee culture. The drink is particularly popular in the summer months in South Korea, where it provides a cool, energizing alternative to traditional hot coffee. The growing popularity of Korean iced coffee in cafes worldwide, from Beijing to Tokyo, highlights how a local Korean beverage has been embraced and adapted globally, making it a symbol of Korea's influence on global coffee culture. The transnational nature of Korean culture demonstrates its remarkable ability to transcend national borders, adapting to and influencing global trends while retaining its distinctive identity. Ultimately, the continued spread of Korean culture highlights the power of cultural exchange in today's interconnected world, where local traditions and global influences meet and create something new and exciting.
보단 차디찬의 숨을 보여줘 baby baby 제발 망설이지는 마라 좀 물건